Hi, this is Jeffrey Rhodes from Exotic Gardening Farm. We are doing an unboxing of a new item that we just got from NeverSink Tools. This is their Winstrip tray carrier. Hopefully, this will help us to be able to carry our trays a little easier. We do have some of their trays on order to us, but one of our issues has been being able to move the trays with plants in them around easily, and it's been a hassle. This looks like it may help us quite a bit. This is something that is fairly simple. I'm gonna just unfold it, side, pick it up. Okay. It basically just holds up like that, and then you just slide this over there, tighten that down, and now you have a carrier for trays. You put 3 trays on there and just carry them wherever they need to go and unload them, plant everything, and when you're done, just loosen that back up, take that off, and it just folds right back down for storage. We did pay for this ourselves. This is not something that we received, but we wanted to do an unboxing, let people see this. So thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you again later on.